Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A5 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to add a keyboard language. So, get started, you want to open up your keyboard, and probably the easiest way would be just to tap anywhere where you normally see a keyboard. So for instance on the search bar right here, and you can see there's the keyboard. From here, tap on the three dots, go into the settings, tap on languages, and you can tap on add keyboard. And from here you can choose another keyboard. So see what let's choose something fun. Just so it's not really looking like it's still English. Oh wait, I can actually search. Let's do something like this. There we go, say Greek, let's tap on done. And once you tap on done, you can see that it's additional language is added here. And if you go back to the keyboard itself, under a spacebar where it was just a normal spacebar, now you see English. And you can hold that button as well to change it to the different language. And as you can see, it immediately changes the entire alphabet. So that's how you would add and also change the keyboard here. And again, if you want to go back, you can just hold it and select English again, and there it goes back to the QWERTY. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.